Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Kyle's Garage. This is episode 8, and as you can see behind me, I got all the pieces to build a mini bike. So I think we should go ahead and build a mini bike. But first, there's a couple little things I want to take care of. I addressed it on the last episode, but we need to primer some of the bare metal. But what I'm going to do is clean the frame a little bit and go ahead and put just a real thin coat over all the primer at least, and then a little bit heavier on the bare spots. And a little bit of black for our exhaust because we want it black. It'll look cool and match the rest of the engine until I decide what color I really want to paint the engine. But no, the idea with this bike, I could make it pretty, I could paint it, I could do whatever. I've heard a lot of suggestions, but I like the bike looking raw the way it is because I think it resembles more the way it feels when you're riding it, because that thing, it's sketchy. We'll definitely go for a ride. I'm working on getting a helmet of my own and, a helmet cam, nice helmet cam so we can see everything, because I'd like to see that thing, yeah. But first, I gotta clear this bench off and get those pieces ready to go ahead and spray. The exhaust's natural enemy, the vise. I'm using just some cheap black paint that I had laying around because that's what I had laying around. I don't really want to spray the flange because it'll get so hot there that it won't even matter. Spray the GoPro, whatever you do. All right, I'll let that first coat tack up, come back and hit it again. All right, I'm gonna hit it with one last coat, and then I'll probably call it good because as a secret, I don't want it to look that nice. And this is like super cheap spray paint. And you can tell that because it does not cover at all. It's like I don't know what the heck they did. Half of it isn't even color. It's just clear that seems to want to spray onto it. Oh, and it's shiny, oh boy. Oh crap. Shiny is not what I'm worried about, I guess, so much as I almost just sprayed the GoPro right on the lens, which would have been quite agitating. You know what? I think That'll work. Yeah. I'm just gonna let it dry. Didn't really think through where to put that too well, so nice and easy. Gotta be accurate here. Oh, baby. All right, and we'll set that off to the side, and that'll be our finishing touch when the bike's all together. And I also noticed that, whoop, can't see that. Oh, see that? It's all silver still under there. Yeah, it worked out pretty good. Should have did that in the first place. There's probably a trick to this that I don't know. Okay, I'll set that there for the time being. Nice and easy. Steady. Don't jiggle. Come on, get there. Okay. I don't remember this being like way easier to take apart. Okay. Now that we've finagled and looked like beginners, we're almost there. Ow, I hit myself in the head. Come on, you darn thing. Yeah, there. To your home. It's got wheels again. Touch. Then, to start it. All right, here we go. Time to give it a start. Hopefully. Woo! Wow, first pull. All right, guys, hope you liked that episode. I did have to do a few things off camera, like the throttle cable and the brake cable and hook up the brakes. I did that all off camera. The video would have been really, really long if I would have left everything in. But I promise that I will go for a ride on this bike and take you guys with me. I've just been very, very busy. The wall behind me, we had to lift this whole wall up just to fix the termite damage if you keep up on my updates. But yeah, the wall is mostly fixed. It's not completely done, but that's why it looks like this. I just kind of wanted to do an outro of it. Maybe you guys wanted to look at it. I don't know. But until then, guys, take care. I'll see you next time.